Hello guys, welcome back again to our YouTube or page wherever you're watching us from. So today we are going to make zalabia, South Sudan zalabia, and this is the ingredients which I'm going to show you guys, and this is the bowl which I'm going to use for it. Here, this is sugar here is optional, okay? If you want to put it in it. Hello beauties, welcome back again to our page. So today we have some ingredients which we are going to make zalabia with, and this is the ingredients. Okay, we have yeast, we have salt, and we have sugar, and this is our bowl to pour in our flour. Okay, this is wheat flour. Okay, so that is where we are going to make zalabia with it. So please, if you are interested and to see the outcome of this beautiful yummy zalabia is from South Sudan, all right? Yes. So we are going to make it in South Sudan way. So we are going to cook it and mix them together. So before taking much of your time, let's dive into the video. One kg of flour. That's good. Done. Here we have salt. Done. Here we have little bit of sugar. Done. And we have our yeast. Put a little bit of yeast. Done. Now we call for water. Before water, guys, make sure that you mix all of them together. Okay? Before anything, mix all of them together. Then now done. So the second thing we are going to do is water. After you have already put the water, make sure that everything is well mixed together. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. So guys, now I'm mixing this, okay? Make sure you mix it properly so you can be able to see that everything is well mixed together, right? At this point, that everything is well mixed, make sure that the wheat and other ingredients, salt, sugar, and everything is well mixed at one place. So at this moment, I don't have anything much just to cover it. Yes. Then we wait for almost 30 minutes. Now it's time for me to cover it. So now it's time for me to cover it and keep it aside. So now this is our things. Then we wait for 30 minutes before we come back and check it out and see the outcome. The thing will rise up then before we can start cooking it. Please keep watching. Thank you. So guys, this is it. Has already sold up. It's time for us to go down with it now. Put the oil. So guys, this is our oil. So guys, this is how we do it, okay? This is this thing which I have already done. So just what's up there. You open it before you drop it. So make sure your hand don't enter fire. Your hand don't enter fire. So that is how we do it in South Sudan. Tafta Sudan, okay? And then you wait for some time. I am the you show me mercy. This is called Zelabia, guys. This is Zelabia. This is University of Zelabia, okay? So that is it. How do you guys look?
This is not pampof or akara. This is Zelabia.
It looked like a pampof.
Bit like pampof.
But this is Zelabia.
And also look like a donut.
Yeah,
so don't mistake it, though. This is South Sudanese product, though. Not
Nigerian product.
Ninja.
By the way, my children love it. So you take this one with tea, okay? You drink, you eat it with tea.
You gentilize it.
This is a very, very big business.
Very lucrative.
Yeah.
Too much obo. Ego. Kudi zo mataya.
Yeah, so guys, if I come to Nigeria, we'll do the same thing. So you will come and taste it.
Now so, all Niger fans,
the goodness of
please sharpen your tooth or your teeth to chocolate.
So guys, this is the outcome of the Zelabia of today. I hope you guys will love it. So this is the outcome of it. Take one, take two, take yummy. Guys, make it for your kids, and your kids will really love it. Then they will take it with tea, and they can just eat it just like that. You see it? How is it? So yummy, guys. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching our video to this extent. Don't hesitate to share, like, comment, and leave your opinion in the comment section below. That is what we are looking for. That's all for today. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye for now.